Hello my knife friends, I have for you today a Queen medium stockman pocket knife, and it comes in this box that you've already maybe seen before. Here's the knife. Nice fit and finish on here. I don't feel any rough spots or anything. Nice clean tight finish, you can see that. Nice flush back springs, nice brass liners, nice satin finish, stainless steel, sawcut bone. Mine came with a lighter color. It's got some like spots on there and stuff. That's okay. So here's your blades, your main blade. It's got a nice Queen stamp on there. And then your China stamp here. Nice half step. Here's your sheep's foot blade. You can hear that? Yeah, nice snap on these. Here's your pen blade. Nice inlay of the crown here, the Queen crown. The centering is very good. I don't see it going to one side or the other. There's no blade rub or anything. Very nice knife, very nice medium stockman. These don't sell for a lot, $16, $18, $22, $23. And you got yourself a nice knife. Nice fit and finish on these saw-cut bone. Nice and flush. Nice. Yeah, it's a nice knife. So if you like a stockman knife, you don't want to pay a lot of money for it. Then I would highly recommend you getting this Queen stockman in the saw-cut bone. Yeah, very high quality, I must admit. I own many knives, GECs and other Rough Riders and stuff. And some of these knives are really good. They come from China. Very nice quality. You get a lot for your money. This is just as good quality, maybe even better than many case knives that I've seen. Just as good. So that's saying a lot. I own so many knives, looked at so many. Okay, I'm not going to drag out the video too long. You've probably seen more of these videos on this knife. I just wanted to give you my opinion on it. That's very nice. So that's the Queen medium stockman and saw-cut bone. Have a great day.